Only on the CW. The new series Gotham Knights premieres Tuesday, March 14th. Only on the CW.
Now at 10, the powerful winter storm we've been waiting for is here. Falling temperatures, strong winds, snow and ice creating dangerous conditions, especially for drivers along the Grapevine.
Plus, our local mountains are getting pummeled with snow. Intense winds are creating near whiteout conditions in Big Bear, where they're expecting several feet of new powder from the storm.
And from the mountains to the beaches, the Inland Empire to the valleys, viewers are sharing photos and video of this historic storm from their own neighborhoods, now on the news at 10. Good evening, I'm Micah Ullman.
And I'm Cher Calvin. A powerful winter storm is intensifying tonight and is already making history in Southern California.
From the threat of frigid temperatures, heavy rain and strong winds to thunderstorms, flooding and feet of snow, forecasters warn the worst is still to come. Satellite images capture the coast-to-coast system that is bringing rare and dangerous blizzard conditions to parts of the West.
And from the mountains to the Inland Empire and the coast, we have team coverage tonight, beginning with meteorologist Vera Jimenez with a look at what we can expect tonight and tomorrow morning. Vera.
Thank you so much, Shara. As we take a live look outside, downtown Los Angeles at this point is dry, but there was rain earlier this evening. In fact, if you're stepping outside, you will definitely see that it was wet. In terms of the rain and snow, here's what we are expecting. The coast and the valleys could see up to 3 inches of rain when all is said and done. We are expecting maybe as much as 3/4 of an inch of rain per hour. The snow is really going to impact the foothills and the mountains. Above 4,000 feet, we're expecting at least 7 feet, but greater accumulation amounts north of that. The wind gusts are also going to be quite dangerous. The strongest winds will be felt along the foothills and over the mountains. We are looking at wind speeds of 50 to 60 miles per hour with occasional gusts to 75 miles per hour. Along the coast, we're going to see very dangerous conditions as well. Some sets could reach 14 feet, along with rip currents that are going to be very hazardous, and of course, the beach erosion. As we take a quick look at the Max Doppler, here is the latest 1-hour loop, and you can see that rain is definitely moving onshore through Santa Barbara, making its way towards the foothills of Ventura and Santa Barbara. We are going to see snow. In fact, the snow is already falling there. We're also going to see some of those impacts include the possibility of avalanches for the northeastern end of the San Gabriel Mountains. The blizzard warning was only impacting LA and Ventura County mountains, and now that has been extended also to impact the San Bernardino Mountains. We'll be talking a lot more about that. Plus
Notice heavy snow is expected overnight and could last well into tomorrow.
And with that snow, some very cold temperatures. KTLA's Rick Chambers is live in Lebec with more on the frigid weather and the dangerous road conditions tonight. Rick?
Yeah, Cher, it's about 29 degrees right now, but it's very windy and feels much colder than that. We've had snow flurries, heavy at times, throughout the day and into the evening. Thankfully, very little of that is sticking to the roadway here. But as Micah mentioned, that's likely going to change after midnight. Talk of a blizzard along the Grapevine started coming true about 6 this evening. Jose Barajas got his family out just in time on their trek to Sacramento.
I'm just worried about, getting stuck on the road on the freeway with the snow and being that black ice icy. Yeah. So I just want to get to our destination, get our hotel, and then just relax for the night.
Brandon Brooks is heading in the other direction.
I'm just trying to beat the storm. I hear it's going to be dumping down and, trying to be ahead of the time and whatnot.
He left Hale in San Jose this morning. He's dragging a trailer, though, and heard about the warnings.
The wind and snow, for sure, icy roads and just the windy gusts, along the highway.
Didn't want to have to